you guys asked me to vlog for Diwali, and I hope you guys are enjoying Diwalog so far. So this will probably be the last video of Diwalog, or I'll upload it in the same week. I'm not really sure yet. So I'm starting the vlog before Diwali itself so that I have some footage to show you guys and some fun things to show you guys. So today is Sunday, just 2-3 days before Diwali, and I'm doing a couple of videos for Diwali, and I'll show you guys the behind scenes. And also right now I have to rush, get ready and go out. A friend's friend is showcasing a short film, so I'm going to watch that, and I'm also going to watch Johnny English. And yeah, let's get ready.
Specifics only
So guys, I came back from the short film. It was really nice, very intriguing, a very nicely conveyed message, I must say, which otherwise wouldn't get through to people like me, a lot of people like me. So you must watch it. I'll leave the trailer in the description box. Their YouTube channel is called Advaita. Short film was an opener for Comic-Con Hyderabad this year, apparently. I didn't know this. And the short film is really nice. You have to check it out. And this is a friend's friend who actually did this. And he also has a blog where he talks about DIY stuff, like lighting equipment or any sort of equipment which you need for video making or all those things, because they're quite expensive, right? Even the tripods or the lighting equipment, everything is expensive, right? So he has a blog where he talks about how he DIY'd a lot of things. And then I went to watch Johnny English before this, and I missed a little bit of the movie because I got lost in the mall. Like, I went to Central after such a long time, and it's renovated and it has 2 different buildings, and I got lost in the mall. I couldn't find the theater. So stupid. So anyway, the mall looked good. So that is it for today, and there is a brewery which is coming up in Hyderabad, the new one called Broadway. And that's coming up this week sometime, so I'll be going for that as well, because again, it's some common friends. So I don't generally like going to loud music places. I don't drink. I don't drink at all, by the way, if that is something that I haven't ever mentioned. So I don't usually go to places like that unless it's for some friends or if a bunch of my friends are going. So yeah, I'll be going for that. So this is the Diwali setup where I'm filming all the videos for this Diwali, and in actual reality, okay, this one I think is from Kondapalli. And you know the mood board, I got it from an Instagram store, but you can find it on Shein. And this diya, I think mom got it from some exhibition. And throw pillows are from Home Center. Blue one is from Koti. This one is from some furnishing website, not sure. Umbrella is from Jaipur. So basically this is the setup, and then this here is my Wi-Fi. So this one, if I move it, it's like loose connection, so I can't move it. And the sofa is a little old and patchy, so I'm just hiding it with this throw. I wanted to put like a dupatta, pattu dupatta or some work dupatta, so that it'll look more festive. But with this and all this going on, I thought it might be a little too much. So anyway, hi guys, so I'm wearing an outfit from Myntra. I'll put the link in the description box. Actually, the haul is coming up. I wanted it to go up during Diwalog, like before Diwali, but one of the outfits arrived late. So anyway, I'm wearing these earrings from Tanvi. It's an Instagram store. They're oxidized jhumkas with some stones. Very beautiful. You have to check out their page. And also, a Diwali gift just arrived from Cozy to Glam label. She's a YouTuber from Hyderabad. You guys probably know her, Padmini. I'll just insert a picture of the earrings here. You should check out her page. Very pretty and affordable accessories. And now I'll just change up, and Snowy is downstairs, still scared of the crackers. If you don't know Snowy, check out my previous vlogs. He lives on my street, but recently he had some injuries, so he's been living with us on and off. In the daytime, he still runs around in the street, but he just comes to eat, and sometimes in the night also he comes upstairs, but he stays inside the building in the night so that it's safe for him. So enough chatting, I'll come back in a bit.
ఎక్కడికి స్ట్రెచ్ అవుతున్నావా? పడుకో, ఇంకా పడుకో, చాలాసేపు ప్యాక్ చేసా. పడుకో పడుకో, పడుకుంటావా?
There's some vegetables here, and my mom and my brother are just plucking them. I mean, like, we've put the vegetables. I mean, she has put the vegetables. ఇంకొచ్చాడు. No, అటెల్ పై ఇదేంటి చుక్క కూర? ఆ లీవ్స్ కోస్తున్నావేమో తినడానికి అనుకున్నా. టొమాటోస్. దా స్నోయి, ఎటు వెళ్తావు? దా వెళ్దాం, ఇంకా చాలుదా. ఏం కాయలు వస్తున్నాయి? కమ్ కమ్. అదేంటి జంప్ చేయవా రాబిట్ లాగా? He shifted his place, came here and slept just behind me. కొన్ని షార్ట్స్ తీసుకొని వస్తా. Just going for dinner to this place. It's probably a new place, so we are trying it for the first time, not sure. ట్రై చేసుకుందామా స్నోయి?
This just came in from Unorthodox Peeps. I haven't opened it yet. I am just going to unbox it, but the packaging is so pretty. This net and this really cute bow. I love the color.
దేనికోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నావు స్నోయి? చూడు లిప్స్ స్మాక్ చేసుకుంటూ. ఇందాక తిన్నాడు.
కాదు, నీకు ఏమన్నా అవుతుందేమో అని వాడికి భయం, టెన్షన్. అంటే గబుక్కన అలా పట్టుకున్నప్పుడు చేతికి ఏమన్నా అవుతుందేమో అని
The brewery was good, the place was amazing, and it was super crowded, so I left. As I mentioned, I don't like places which are super crowded or where there's very loud music. yeah, not my kind of thing. So I left and I went to Prost. And surprisingly, the food at Prost is so good. I did not know about this. Was just shooting some video and pictures for an upcoming video that's coming up this week. A lot of you guys wanted to watch some boho looks or Indian wear, sort of Indo-Western looks for winter. So that video is going to come up next week. By the way, I don't have anything like this. I've been looking for something like this. I'll leave the link for the store in the description box. And I'm also looking to buy one more with longer chains here. So if you know an affordable store where I can purchase it, leave it in the comments below. And I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and watch out for other videos. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for all the love on my Diwalog videos. And it was a little difficult to do a video every day. I did it only for a week or 1 week I think. I did not even do it for like 10 days or the whole entire 20 days like Shreya Jain does, but still it was difficult because I had a bad fever and then I recovered, and then I decided that I will do this because I pre-recorded some videos and I decided earlier that I will do it for all the 20 days or so. Thank you so much for all the love and support on those videos, on every videos actually. Thank you so much for all the love and support. You guys are always motivating me. You guys are always giving me more ideas. You guys are leaving amazing comments. Like, it feels so good. And when my friends read the comments also, they keep telling me that there's such loving comments. So let's not drag this anymore. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.